Hi, I'm Reji from Chennai. I found the retreat very, calming and relaxing. In fact, I've been going for retreats for the last 11 years. And this is one of the first times I've come out of it feeling completely relaxed and peaceful and calm. In the earlier tradition I was practicing, it was more like, going through surgery. That's what they told us, that this is a, operation of the mind. So I used to come out of the retreat actually feeling as if I've come out of surgery. You feel tired, drained out, but happy and relieved to be out of the retreat. Here everything was much more relaxed. Bante's evening discourses were very enlightening. He was explaining the words of the Buddha, and many times it felt as if the Buddha was directly talking to us, explaining what we had done during the day. And the ATs were very helpful, and more than what they were telling us, it was the way they behaved, their demeanor, their behavior, which actually told me what the practice is going to be like. That was a great testimonial actually. They were always smiling and very helpful and kind. And last of all was this MettaVipassana practice is about feeling happiness for yourself and sharing. In the earlier practices, it was more about striving hard and trying to attain things for ourselves. Like, I wanted to be free from sankharas, eliminate, purify my mind, get more tranquility, get more thing. Here, whatever I had, I was sharing. In some sessions, I had nothing to share except my smile, and I shared that too. And in the end, actually, the sharing is much more spiritually nourishing than striving hard to attain something. So thank you very much to everybody.